have school tomorrow. Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today is super fun video. I am doing a little bit of like a glow up transformation because I start school again tomorrow. And I said to myself before we finished last time, I was like, these holidays are going to be the ones where I glow up. Like I'm actually going to glow up this time. And it didn't happen. So today we're going to be forcing it to happen. There is no choice, it has to happen today. And that's what we're doing. Okay guys, so it's actually me from the future. I'm editing this video and I wanted to mention this because as I was editing I realized how bad my skin was in the start of this video. So I actually filmed this video about 4 weeks ago. I know I'm hopeless. But regardless, I just wanted to comment on that because as you can see, this is my skin now. Is it perfect? No. But is it so much better? Yes. I've been getting so many comments of people being like, oh my, your skin looks so much better on the daily at school. And that is all thanks to this oil from Hello Glow Skin. I did get sent this, but this is not paid, anything like that. This is genuine. It's the Hello Glow Skin Lover Sunset Edition Nourishing Fatty Acid Repair. And it's just like an oil with all these different... This has just completely changed my skin. As you guys can see, this is me, no makeup. I've got like one active pimple. Well, it's not even active anymore, but it was. And the rest is all just like scarring and stuff. Don't know if you can tell. And this has helped with my scarring as well. So much. Like, this is so much better than it was. My confidence has gone way up. I really wanted to mention that to you guys because that product is incredible. We'll have a link down below with this code also so you guys can get some money off. And yeah, let me know if it works for you guys. I think it is incredible. Anyway, just enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, loves, it is now actually a few hours later. Not even, I just completely lied. I'm such a liar. It's literally 30 minutes later. As you would know if you've watched my channel for like a while, I dyed my hair blonde at the start of quarantine. It's very grown out. She's not looking good, okay? We know, yeah. Just leave me alone. It's not like that bad, I don't know.
Sure, Jan.
So I'm gonna do like the thing where they like put the purple shampoo on your like dry hair or like pretty much dry hair and then you like leave it for like 20 minutes or something. And we're gonna see what happens. So I have decided that before I wash my hair out, I'm going to really quickly pluck my eyebrows a little bit because, oh my god, I've got purple all over me. They are looking a little bit rough. Honestly, not even bad. My eyebrows are super like sparse though. So if you stick around, we might actually be tinting them later. And that'll be my first time ever doing that. So it might end in a disaster. Ooh. So I'm going to wash out my hair. Look, a little bit purple. Oh crap, I hope it's not like purple. Oh, well. And I'll update you guys once it's all washed out. Ooh. Okay, so here's the hair. It's not completely dry. I don't know, I think it looks a little bit like brighter, less orangey. Ew.
No, so why don't you put it on your...
Oh, I'm still vlogging now. That is crazy. Here's my makeup. I'm so good at makeup. I'm literally a beauty guru. Woo! Okay, shut the hell up, Kate. Anyway, this is how I look. This is my eyebrows, by the way. That I did this morning. Oh, so beautiful baby. So now I need to just tidy that and then I will film my video, but you do not care because this is not a vlog. That is my makeup transformation. But do not leave just yet. We have so much more coming later. Stay tuned. Hola mi amigos. So got the goods. I went to Chemist Warehouse and I got some eyebrow tin. And I also got some teeth whitening strips. So fun. Woo. My SD card's about to run out. What is this? Okay, well that was just rude of my camera to do that to me. So if you agree, like and subscribe because I think that was just rude. So let's have a look-ski inside this little kit. Oop, instructions. I will actually be reading those, okay? A lot of people think it's like trendy and quirky to not read instructions. If I don't read instructions, I will die. Easy. Okay, so, okay, you can't even tell, but I washed all the makeup off from my eyebrows. I'm gonna mix up the dye first because I'm really stressed about that, and then I'll put the teeth whitening strips in, and then we'll get to dyeing. I'm kind of eyeballing it. Yeah, I'm just really specific. Eyebrow tinting is an art, and you really need to take your time with it. So this is, ooh, wow. Now we're going to do a montage. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do it in now. Can you drink water with these on? Okay guys, so this is what I look like right now. I look crazy and I think I messed the eyebrows up because look at that shape, that is just not good. This one's like okay. So I'm about to wash off the eyebrows. I'm so scared that they're gonna look horrible. Okay. Well, I'm not even like mad. Like it's quite dark and it's definitely black. So I just pulled the strips out. This is what my hands look like. Crap. Where are the instructions? Oh my god, is that meant to happen? Or like real? Oh my god. It's just meant to all come off in one. Why did it not? Look. Okay, I'm going to rinse my mouth out. I have to say, for one go, and I only kept them in for 30 minutes and you can keep them in for 30 to 60. That's really good, and I definitely will actually be using them again, probably like every Sunday or something. Today is Monday and I meant to leave it a week, but like I'm a rebel and I'm gonna do it next Sunday after only 6 days. Ooh. That was a scary moment, but we survived and I'm so much stronger because of it. Thank you so much to White Glow for putting me through that trauma. I will be back to do some more fun stuff with you guys. Oogly doogly girlies. So, I have just been editing for the past like hour or two for the past like hour or two or so, you know, and I'm getting super bored of hearing my own voice. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so I have 2 things left to do for today's little glow up transformation. Clearly this glow up has just not worked at all. Look at me, look at this. But you know what, my hair's a little bit lighter, not lighter but like brighter, and my eyebrows are darker and my teeth are whiter. That's really all that's happened today. How have I been filming a whole day to get those outcomes? So I'm going to do a little face mask after I get out of the shower. Bye boys. It's face mask time. Woo-hoo. It is the Biore Blue Agave and baking soda whipped nourishing detoxing mask. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes and counting.
So, it's me again. Surprise! Siri has alerted me that it is now time to wash my face mask off. So girlies, while I'm here, I'm going to be using my tanning moisturizer like I told you. This is the Dove Summer Glow Medium to Dark Skin. Me again. I've been really annoying this video, I'm so sorry. But I did not explain anything that happened in these clips. So long story short, I was actually completely out of my tanning moisturizer because earlier that day, or maybe the day before, I had mixed up a little concoction, because I get bored and do that sometimes, with the like tanning moisturizer and just like my normal everyday moisturizer, so that I could dilute it and like use it every day without it being so strong, because it's super intense when you use it on itself. Like, you go like orange. Don't know why I thought it was gonna be a good idea to use it in the first place. So, you know, worked out for the best. So that's what I was grabbing, and it was in my little purple shampoo bottle, and that is what is happening in these clips. Sorry for being hopeless. Hopefully this actually does anything. Who knows, to be honest. Like, it is quite diluted, to be fair, but you know. Wow, look at me, I'm so tan. I'm basically a bronze goddess. I know, don't freak out. Like, I know, it's just such a beautiful tan. So that is all for today's video. We are done. This is my glow up. Wow, what a good final result. Wow, most people's final result is like them with a full face of makeup, like looking 10 times better than the before. But we did a lot today, honestly. I feel great about myself because of just how much we did. I shaved my legs. I'm feeling silky smooth like a little dolphin baby. I toned my hair, but I mean, you definitely can tell. It definitely looks a lot better, but it still doesn't look great. I definitely need to get that fixed ASAP. I plucked my eyebrows and tinted them. Wow, look at them. So dark. I love it. It's exactly what I wanted. Honestly, I love having tinted eyebrows. It makes my life so much easier, and it just makes me look way better all the time. Unpopular opinion check. I whitened my teeth. Oh my god, they look so yellow because my lamp is yellow. That was revolting. I tanned, but like not as well as I planned. And lastly, I did a face mask to make my skin so beautiful and breakout free for tomorrow, and it totally worked. Look at that. Oh my god, everyone at school's gonna freak out. They're not even gonna recognize me. They're gonna be like, who is that new girl? She is so fun. And I'm gonna have to be like, guys, it was me, it's Jamie. On the real, I do not want to go back to school. I wish holidays could like last forever, but at the same time, like, it's pretty much my last time of school, and that's so exciting but also terrifying. Because of that, it means I have so many exciting videos coming at the end of the year. Well, not even the end of the year, like starting in a couple months. So make sure to subscribe if you want to watch those videos. Anyway, I'll see you guys on Tuesday for another video. Bye.